In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logitech G920 Xbox with a PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the two main options that you have to set up a Logitech G920 with a PlayStation 5. So as you might be aware, the G920 is primarily designed to be used with Xbox consoles. However, it is possible for you to use it with a PlayStation console. This will require some workarounds. So you have two main options. One of them is going to be free, but you will need to have access to a PC or a device that can use PlayStation Remote Play, and the second one is going to cost you because it is going to use an adapter. So first, if you want the free option, what you will have to do is download these three tools: PlayStation Remote Play, VGEM Bus, and X360C. I'm going to explain what all of these do. So PlayStation Remote Play allows you to play any PlayStation game and transmit your gameplay to another device, such as a PC or even a phone. Doing this allows you to connect controllers and, in this case, the G920 to a PC in order to control your game. So essentially, the game will still be running on your PlayStation 5, it's just that it is going to be streamed over to your PC. It shouldn't have too much latency as long as you use the proper connection type. Now, I'm not going to go over the full process because I still need to talk about everything else, but you can set up Remote Play easily. It is very intuitive, so go over to their website and download Remote Play. Once this has been downloaded for your PC, the next thing that you have to get is VGEM Bus. So look for this on GitHub, and essentially this is a program that is going to translate the inputs into inputs that can be read by your computer. If you want a more technical explanation, you can read through it here, but basically you just need to go into the releases and download the exe. Once this is running, the last thing that you need is X360CE. Now, because the G920 has inputs designed for Xbox, you need to translate those into inputs that can be read by PlayStation, and by using X360C in conjunction with VGEM Bus, we will achieve this. So go to X360CE and download this tool. As you can see in here, you can map out every single button available on the controller and, of course, your steering wheel. So you will have to spend a lot of time setting up each button and each action. So for example, if there's a specific button on the wheel that you press and you notice that it records this button being pressed, you just need to assign it and so on. So assign every single button, save a profile, and once X360CE and VGEM Bus have been set up running on the background, you will be able to use Remote Play and your controller should be able to input commands for inside of the game. Alternatively, if this is too much or you simply don't like this approach, you can purchase a Drive Hub. So look for Drive Hub TM, and essentially this is going to be an adapter that translates the inputs from your G920 into inputs that can be read by your PlayStation 5, but it costs $90, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Logitech G920 Xbox with a PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.